Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to Good Shoes. The most powerful tools for managing infrastructure, Terraform. The series of tutorials will cover the core concepts, use cases, and even hands-on demo. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far and learning something new, take a quick moment to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. The cloud has become the backbone of many companies. Infrastructure and managing it manually just isn't scalable. That's where infrastructure as code comes in. Terraform allows you to define your infrastructure in code, making it repeatable, versioned, and easy to maintain. But instead of thinking about servers, networks, and storage, you're thinking in terms of code. What do you want your infrastructure to look like? What is Terraform? Terraform is an open source infrastructure as code tool. It enables you to define, provision, and manage cloud infrastructure resources using a declarative configuration language called HCL, HashiCorp Configuration Language. The key concepts. Terraform allows you to automate cloud infrastructure setup for everything from virtual machines to database and storages, all while supporting multi-cloud platform like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and even on premises. The state management. One of the Terraform most powerful feature is state management. Terraform keeps track of your infrastructure through a state file, which allows it to know what resource exit, what needs to be updated, and when things needs to be destroyed. Terraform workflow. Let's break down the typical Terraform workflow. There are 5 main steps that you will go through to provision your infrastructure using Terraform. Write configuration, where you're writing the configuration files with .tf extension. And these files you define your infrastructure resources such as virtual machine, networking, and storage. Initialize Terraform init command. This downloads and necessary provider plugins and prepare your working directory. Terraform plan. This will give you a preview of what Terraform will do, showing the resources that will be created, updated, and destroyed. Terraform apply goes ahead and provision the Terraform and infrastructure for you. Destroy, Terraform destroy to clean up all the resources. There are a few benefits: consistency, automation, version control, scalability. Automate repeated tasks, save your time and reducing the human errors. Version control, just like code, your infrastructure is now versioned. Scalability, you can handle large scale infrastructure setups with easy using Terraform modular. There are some use cases and benefits. The use cases is AWS infrastructure deployment, Azure infrastructure deployment. If you are working on Kubernetes cluster provisioning, Terraform can also use to provision and manage Kubernetes clusters, AKS, EKS, GKE. There's also multi-cloud applications which you can utilize it. You can define resources and undefined configuration, disaster recovery. Terraform state files and configuration files allows you to restore infrastructure quickly in the event of a disaster. Setting up Terraform is easy. You can check out my other video. I'm setting up the Terraform. To start using Terraform, follow the basic steps. Install Terraform from the installation guide. Initialize your project with Terraform init. Check the execution plan with Terraform plan. Apply the configuration with Terraform apply. Destroy the infrastructure with Terraform destroy. Additional learning resources, YouTube tutorials, online courses, community forum. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Good Shoes. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.